Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 12th of June 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.31%, settling the day at 38,747.42 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,343.84, rising 0.88%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,817.48 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,915.08. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,307.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII sold 111.04 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. HCL Tech signs contract worth $278 million with Germany's Apo Bank. Ola Electric gets SEBI approval for 7,250 crore rupees IPO. Wipro launches Lab 45 AI platform to increase efficiency, transform business functions. The World Bank retained its GDP growth projection for India at 6.6% in FY25, 6.7% in FY26 and 6.8% in FY27. Now talking about global aspects, Chinese automakers committed to Europe despite F-tariff probe. Wells Fargo highlighted that gold is becoming expensive outside of the US. The US weighs more limits on China's access to AI chips. OPEC kept the forecast unchanged for the overall oil demand for 2024 at 2.2 million BPD and to grow by 2.3 million BPD in the second half of 2024. OPEC Plus decided to continue the voluntary cuts of 2.2 million BPD till September 2024. WTI rose 0.3% to $77.79 a barrel, while Brent rose 0.2% to $82.09 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.88. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.40%. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices exhibited a mixed trading session, oscillating between gains and losses as investors awaited the Federal Reserve's policy decision and the upcoming CPI data, scheduled for release tomorrow. Amid a notable cool down in volatility, key indices closed with minor gains. The Sensex concluded at 76,456.59, while the Nifty ended at 23,264.85. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, it appears probable that the index will continue to adhere to this range-bound behavior, with movements expected to hover within the boundaries of 22,600 to 23,500. From 22,800 to 23,000 will act as short-term support, while 23,450 to 23,550 will act as the hurdle for further upside. For BAN Nifty, the key support levels are positioned at 49,000 and 48,500, while significant resistance lies within the 50,200 to 50,600 zone. Currently, the market appears to be consolidating, with 50,200 serving as an immediate resistance and 49,200 as a nearby support level. Stocks on radar are Jaya Corp, RailTel, NBCC, Varroc, Akon. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.